How to check liked stories on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now let's tap on any of the stories over here. Let's like, which is the heart icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. So let's do that and then go back. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. So what you can simply do is tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner, and as you tap on the hamburger icon, it will lead you to settings and privacy. Now scroll down and tap on your activity section. As you tap on your activity, you can see the option of likes. And here you can see all the liked posts over here. So you can see the option of all content types at the top right corner of the screen. Select on that, and here you can see this option of posts, reels and threads but not story. So unfortunately it is not possible to check the liked stories on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.